you happy about your business, and how did you make your business?
Am I happy about my business? Things like this make me really happy about my business because I don't think a lot of businesses want to work with kids and give back to the community. So I'm really happy to do this and to meet with you guys and talk to you and hear about what you like to do and try to inspire you to do things that you care about. So I'm happy that I get to do things like this. What's the best sport in the world? Baseball? I would, so it changes, but I would be able to transport anywhere, at any time.
Hold on, just as I was talking.
Exactly.
I want to start a business so like everyone can dance no matter what their color of skin is, and I don't know what it's going to call, but I'll think of it later.
So you want to start a dance studio? Yeah. Cool. Do you dance right now?
Yes.
Yeah. You like it? That's what's up. What about you? I made my business because I've always wanted to make clothes. I love clothes, I love style. And I've never had the opportunity to do that. So I wanted to do it. I wanted to give inspiration to young Black kids, to let them know that they can be creative and follow their dreams, as corny as that sounds. But it is very possible, and you just gotta make it happen. So I made it so kids can follow their dreams. Before I get started, who submitted a design? Did everybody make a design? Almost everybody? Oh my gosh, thank you. You guys are really creative. Did you have fun? Did you like it?
Yes.
Did you like the prompts? Did you like the lightning bolt, the cross, the slogan? Was that helpful? Okay. So the first one, you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Maybe I should leave, come back. Okay.
Ready, let's do a drum roll.
Drum roll. The first winner, Hunter.
All right, let's do for number 2, drum roll really quick.
Carsyn. Let's see you.
Wants to start their own clothing business. What advice would you give?
Just start. That's the advice I would give. Just start and do some research. Everybody put peace on it.